It's pea protein and pumpkin protein. This is really what I'm excited about. What about you, Leland? All right, this was one of the most interesting ones that I ordered. I was looking forward to is it's tea flowers from 2006 that had been pressed into the cake. This is a sample from the cake. I didn't know you could drink tea from tea flowers. Aged camphor ripe pu'er. Now I'm gonna rip this open and smell it right away. This might be the first one I try. This was the camphor being, not camphor added, but that's what it smells like and tastes like. Okay, now that smells like honey to me. Taiwanese yellow GABA. I didn't see the GABA when I ordered it, but yellow tea is a style of it's like green tea or black. I actually don't know what the process is with yellow tea, but some of the most expensive teas in the world, not this one, are yellow tea. This is from Taiwan. This guy is into Taiwanese tea too, and I'm gonna see if I am. Spring Linsang Shang. This is just a 2018 raw pu'er. 2020 duck poo. Oh, and here he has duck S. They call it duck S word in China, the equivalent of that. So, and that's an oolong. I also thought I might have that today. I actually think I'm going to have a couple. Here, come on over here and open these with me, Wee Wee. Look at this one. Look at this one, Wee Wee. Look at this. Oh, this was a Bulang. Hong Chen Hao. I don't know if that. I read about a certain other kind of fermentation that I don't know if that's it. Lu Bao Mao Cha. Raw. Okay, Lu Bao is another kind of fermented tea. If you want, this is the UPC code. I don't know if that's going to work for you, but I'll put a link below too. You can find him on social media, and it's a guy that you can talk to. Sounds like he does most of his mailings at the beginning of the month, because the end of the month is when he gets his new teas in and puts them in the catalog. So, okay, this is 1988 Taiwanese Wu Yi, which is a oolong grown in Taiwan with a cultivar from the Wu Yi Mountains. Okay, this is a Bulang Shu. I'm surprised. He's mostly into raw pu'ers, but I got a couple at least shoes here, cooked pu'ers. Another Bulang. I don't remember that. He might have put this in there for me for free or as a sample. I don't know. I don't remember. 22 Jenga. 22. So that would be I'm assuming a raw pu'er just from last season. And 2019. Oh, this is the other kind of fermented tea. Lao Cha Tao, I think. So this is just a camphor, one with a camphor character. That, boy, I want to try one of these really soon here. Oh, I'm going to. And then this one. I asked him, do you have anything that's like camphor? And I didn't. That was before I knew that camphor was one of the things he seeks in a tea. And he says, well, I have one. And so this is apparently, I should open this now and see. But this is apparently has an extreme camphor character. Okay, there. I do get a little of the camphor and also army men, those little green army men, which might be something I associate with the sandbox that I played with them as a kid.